Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Chainlink from Exmo to Trust Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your Chainlink tokens securely and efficiently, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need an Exmo account with Chainlink in it, and Trust Wallet installed on your phone or device. If you haven't already, download Trust Wallet from the App Store. It's user-friendly and super secure for holding your crypto assets. Step 1. Log into your Exmo account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets, or Balances, section to confirm you have Chainlink available for withdrawal. Next, navigate to the Withdraw, or Send option. This is usually found in the top menu or sidebar. Look for the cryptocurrency icons. Now, select Chainlink from the list of available assets. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. This is crucial. Open your Trust Wallet app, go to the Chainlink section, and copy the receive address. Paste it carefully into the Exmo withdrawal form. Don't forget to specify the amount you want to send, and always leave a little extra for network fees to ensure the transaction goes through smoothly. Before you hit confirm, review all the details. Check the address, the amount, and any fees displayed. Once you're satisfied, click Withdraw or Confirm. You'll get a confirmation code or email. Verify that too. Now, sit tight. Transactions on the blockchain can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's done, hop back into Trust Wallet and refresh your Chainlink balance. Voila, your tokens should be there. If you run into issues, like a pending transaction, check the Blockchain Explorer for your transaction ID. Wrapping this up, sending Chainlink from Exmo to Trust Wallet is a breeze with these steps. It's a great way to take control of your assets and keep them safe in a non-custodial wallet. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay secure out there, and I'll see you in the next video.